The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to the English class once again. Today we are going to start a new lesson in a nutshell. Take your studio page number 47. In a nutshell, overview. In this lesson we will read about a boy who has a special adventure, learn how some nouns have different plural forms, learn how to use but and because in a sentence. So after learning and completing this chapter, we will be able to understand all these things. Now take page number 48, pep activity. Did you know that eating carrots is good for your eyesight? Draw lines to match the given foods to the body parts that they are said to be good for. So first one is ginger. Ginger for stomach. Yes, ginger should be matched with stomach because we add ginger to most of our dishes. Why do we add it? Because it is really good for our stomach. And then carrot, as I said earlier, is good for our eyesight since it contains vitamin A. So match carrot with eye. Match walnut with brain. Now take page number 49. Ranbir and the Wizard of Dentistry. So who's a wizard? A wizard is a person with magical powers and he'll be dressed up wearing a robe and a cap, and there will be a bell in the tip of the cap. That is how a wizard would look like. So Ranbir and the Wizard of Dentistry. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Ranbir was a smart boy. He liked reading stories about fairies, goblins and elves. So Ranbir was a smart boy. He liked to read stories of fairies, goblins and elves. Who are goblins and elves? Goblins are dwarf-like creatures who are very naughty and mischievous, and elves are human-like figure who have pointed ears. However, he was very fussy about food. Fussy means very hard to please. Whatever you give them to eat, they will say, no, I don't want this, I don't want that. He disliked most fruits and vegetables and never ate them. See, Ranbir disliked most of the fruits and vegetables and he never ate them. He also did not brush his teeth regularly. Ranbir also did not brush his teeth regularly. One night, Ranbir woke up suddenly. He found that one tooth that had been hurting had fallen out. He took it in his hand. As he was looking at it, there was a bright flash of light outside his window. Flash means a burst of light. He looked up to find a beautiful fairy hovering outside with shiny wings. Hovering means moving the wings rapidly. The fairy was outside his window. Ranbir was sleeping. He got up suddenly and he saw that one of his tooth, which was hurting earlier, came out of his mouth. And when he was examining and looking at the tooth very closely, he noticed a sudden burst of light from his window and he saw a fairy outside his window. The fairy had a wand in her hand that she kept waving around. The fairy had a wand, a magical wand, a stick-like wand in her hand that she was waving. Hello, I am the Tooth Fairy. I have come to take away your fallen tooth, she said. So the fairy has come to take his fallen tooth. What will you do with it? Ranbir asked the fairy with great surprise and curiosity. Curiosity means a great desire to learn something or to know something. So Ranbir, out of curiosity, asked, when the fairy said, I have come here to take your fallen tooth, he asked, why do you want my fallen tooth? I will check if you have looked after it by brushing it properly. If you have, I will give you a new tooth in its place, she replied. So when Ranbir asked, why do you need my tooth? The fairy replied that, I want to see whether you were taking care of your teeth and brushing it regularly. If that is the case, I will give you another tooth in the place of the fallen tooth. The fairy took the tooth from Ranbir and looked at it closely. Oh, I can see that you have not been brushing your teeth regularly. I will now have to take you to the Wizard of Spring. So fairy, after examining and looking at the tooth, she understood that Ranbir was not taking care of his teeth and he was not brushing regularly. So she said that she will have to take him to the Wizard of Dentistry. Wizard, as I said earlier, is a person with magical powers, mostly found in fairy tales. Ranbir was worried and scared. He knew that he had been careless with taking care of his teeth. So Ranbir was very worried and scared. Why? Because he was not at all taking care of his teeth. The fairy waved her wand. The fairy waved her wand. A horse with wings magically appeared in the room. When the fairy waved her wand, a horse with wings magically appeared in the room. Ranbir hopped on to the back of the magical horse. When Ranbir saw the horse, he hopped on to the back of the magical horse. He and the fairy flew into the dark night. He, with the fairy, flew into the dark night. The fairy took him to a giant cave that had a glittering golden door. So where the fairy took him? She took him to a giant, a big cave which was having a golden glittering door. Glittering means shining. You may now enter the cave of dentistry, she said. Ranbir entered the cave cautiously. So the fairy said to Ranbir that now you can enter the cave. Ranbir entered the cave very cautiously, very carefully. They walked through the winding paths in the dim lit cave. So they walked through the winding path. Winding means twisting and turning. And it was dim lit cave. Dim lit means there was not much light in the cave. So it was having only very dim light. Suddenly, a magical cloud floated before them. Suddenly, what happened? A magical cloud floated in front of them. I am the Wizard of Dentistry, said a loud voice from inside the cloud. So, from inside the cloud, a loud sound came which said, I am the Wizard of Dentistry. The cloud then turned into a tall old man dressed in a green robe. What happened to the cloud? The cloud then turned into a tall old man who was wearing a green robe. Robe is a garment which is very long and loose. He had a thick bushy beard. He wore gold glasses and a hat with a bell on it. He was wearing gold glasses and a cap which was having a bell on the tip of it, which went tinkle tinkle every time he moved his head. So the bell was making sound like tinkle tinkle whenever the wizard was shaking his head. The cap moved and the bell also moved and it was making tinkle tinkle sound. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed reading the story till here. So in our next class we will see what will happen to Ranveer for not taking care of his teeth and not brushing his teeth regularly. So we will meet next week. Till then, read the story thoroughly and write down all the new words that we learned in your file.